For many, trying to figure out what the heck you're going to write about when it comes to research is sometimes troublesome, which is why we did that building an interest inventory, and hopefully that helped you out. But here's another list of other ways that you can find topic ideas as well. You can surf the internet. Try typing in ideas to Google or another search engine. Search a research database. So look at the library databases for ideas. So when we look at our databases, when we take a look at these later in the course, we'll be looking at many different databases. And so sometimes they're very specific and can find different topic ideas, or sometimes they're rather broad where you can search. You can also browse Wikipedia, and I emphasize browse. It's not a good source, and you can never use Wikipedia as a source in this class, but it can be a good place to start looking for an idea. Consider essays you've already written. You can't turn in the same essay. Actually, in the academic world, if you turn in the same essay in two different classes, it's actually considered plagiarism. But you can use the same topic that you've used before in a different angle. Pay attention to what you've read recently. So have you read anything online or in a newspaper or magazine that you have an interest in? Consider practical topics. So maybe you have questions about your career choice. Think about issues, ideas, or materials you've encountered in other classes. Is there another class that you're taking where you've discussed a topic of interest? Look close to home. Does your hometown suffer from a particular problem or have an intriguing history worth exploring? Collaborate so you can work together in groups or just with one other person, coming up with interesting topic ideas.